Have you ever looked at the whole world of artificial intelligence and just wondered, not just what is it, but how could I actually get involved? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're not just talking about AI in some abstract way. We're going to lay out a real, practical path from zero experience to building actual AI solutions.
This right here, this single sentence, is the core promise of the whole journey. I mean, think about it. It's about starting with absolutely no coding background, none, and ending up with a real working AI application that you yourself built and launched. That's the transformation we're going to explore.
Let's be real for a second. AI often feels like it's some exclusive club, right? Reserved for programming wizards or people with PhDs in data science. This path is specifically designed to just shatter that idea. It's built from the ground up, assuming you know nothing about Python, about coding, or machine learning. This is your genuine starting line. Okay, so what does a journey like this actually ask of you? Before we get into all the cool skills you'll build, let's cover the practical stuff, the logistics of the commitment. You can see the whole structure is designed for, a real life. The whole thing takes a totally manageable 12 weeks. You can go at your own pace, which is so key for flexibility, but you're not out there on your own. There's mentorship for when you get stuck, and since it's all online, you can pretty much fit it into your schedule no matter where you are. Now, let's just zoom in on this number, 5 to 7 hours a week. Think about what that really is. It's about an hour a day. It's a real commitment, enough to make some serious progress every single week, but it's also intentionally designed to fit around your job, your family, your life. This is all about consistency, not burning out. And you're not just being handed a textbook with a good luck, you get a full toolkit for learning. We're talking concise handouts for the key ideas, interactive code notebooks so you could get your hands dirty with actual programming, video lectures you can watch anytime, and, crucially, one-on-one guidance when you're ready to tackle that final project. So that's the setup, the logistics. Now, let's get to the real heart of it, the learning transformation itself. How do you actually go from zero to becoming someone who can build things with AI? Look, the goal here isn't just to pass a test. It's to walk away with a set of really powerful new abilities. You start by truly getting the core concepts, not just memorizing words. Then you build on that by training actual machine learning models. From there, you create a full-blown AI app. And maybe the biggest one of all, you'll get the confidence to find AI code out in the wild, understand it, and then tweak it for your own projects. And this progression is very, very intentional. You don't just dive headfirst into machine learning. Nope. You start with the absolute bedrock, Python fundamentals and how to organize your data properly. Then you learn to do calculations, and this is a big one, visualize that data, to actually see the story it's telling. Only after you have that solid foundation do you move into AI principles, building models, and finally getting it out into the world. All of this theory, all these new skills, they're not just for little practice exercises. They're all leading to one place, the final Capstone project. This is where you get to build your very own AI solution completely from scratch. And the objective? It isn't a grade on a paper. It's a working, deployed AI solution. You'll tackle a problem based on a real-world theme and take it all the way from just an idea to a finished, usable project. This is where everything you've learned just clicks into place. And here's a really cool part. You are not locked into some generic project. If you have a personal passion or an idea that could solve a problem you're dealing with at work, you're actually encouraged to build that. It makes the learning instantly relevant to your own life and your own career. The project itself follows the exact workflow that professionals use in the real world. First, you learn the super important and often ignored art of cleaning and prepping your data. Then you use that data to train a model.
you'll learn how to actually tell if it's any good, and finally, you'll wrap it all up into a little application that you can share and show off.
So, we've covered the what and the how of this whole journey. The last really critical question is, who is this actually for? Let's make sure this path is the right one for you. This path is really designed for a whole mix of professionals. It's for the business analyst who wants to pull way more powerful insights out of data. It's for the domain expert, someone in healthcare or education who sees a problem and thinks, AI could solve that. It's for the manager who needs to lead technical teams with real confidence, and for anyone looking to switch careers into a more future-proof role. Bottom line, it's for the doers.
And just to be super clear about the focus here, this journey is for professionals who want to apply artificial intelligence to solve practical, real-world problems. It is not designed for academic experts or computer scientists looking for deep dives into abstract theoretical research. The goal here is all about implementation.
If we had to just boil down the entire philosophy of this path to 3 words, these would be it. The journey is structured, so you're never lost. It's practical, so you're building skills you can actually use. And you are supported every single step of the way. And that brings us to the end. We've laid out the paths, the tools, and the destination. A journey into one of the most transformative technologies of our lifetime. The only question left is the one you have to answer for yourself. Are you ready to build?